Yeah, today we discuss about compound interest related problems. I wish you very good morning to everyone. This is a presentation from Srinivas IAS Academy located at Bengaluru. This is all about CSAT classes, live classes. You may contact us for offline and online classes as well across the country. Thank you. Right. In the previous class we discussed about simple interest related. Now we talk about compound interest. I just give the basic input formulas for compound interest. Compound means what? Calculating the interest on resultant number. Like population growth also same problem, and appreciation related, depreciation related, everything is the same formula. This is okay. I just write the basic structure of that formula. We need not to remember all formulas. It is not possible. I just write one, and LHS equal to RHS we can convert for finding anything related. Now, in simple interest, what we have seen, what we have witnessed is in simple interest, what we have witnessed is simple interest. What we have witnessed is we can derive simple interest directly. To find simple interest, straight away we can calculate PT, or it may, or means what? Rate percent. This is thing. And here, like we normally see that to know the amount in simple interest related, we just see principal plus interest, that is PT or by 100. So you get amount. It's like that. In compound interest, you get straight away amount. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. N means number of terms. N means what? Number of terms. Number of terms. R percent means rate percent. 1 means principal amount. That is the thing. More than 1. 1 plus R by 100 is what? More than 1. Straight away we know that how do we calculate percentages, profit and loss, discount related, everything the same. Structure is same. Right. Here to know the compound interest, this is amount. To know the compound interest is equals to amount minus principal. You get compound interest. So now amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. To know the compound interest, amount minus principal, like that, or you can say minus 1. In the form of 1 plus R by 100 and minus 1 here. So you can also say straight away like minus 1 means what? Principal amount, that is. Okay, this is the right. So you cannot derive compound interest directly. That is the thing. Even calculation of growth of population, decrease or increased, or appreciation, depreciation, everything is related like this only. Like how do we solve the profit and loss, like percentage related, all same formula. That is the thing. Yes. Next, to know the, again in the simple interest, what we know, what we can find, principal then what is it, time and the rate of interest, everything. In the same way here also, now we know time and rate. How do you function with the time and rate? In a compound interest time, to know the time or rate, to know the time or rate is what? Amount by principal. This is the formula, amount by principal. How this, even you need not to remember this formula, I tell you. See now, amount is equals to what? Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N, right? N means what? Time. N means time, number of terms, number of years, anything like. This is the rate. To know the rate or time or rate, to know the time or rate, time or rate is equals to, you time or rate, you keep this one here only, amount by, this will come, no? Like by P, same. So LHS equal to RHS, like that. Only we need to remember only one thing. So to know the principal, what happens in the compound interest, to know the principal, this is time and rate, okay. To know the principal, what's the formula? Principal is equals to, principal you can keep it yearly, amount, yes, amount by, this will be shifted. No, this bracket 1 plus R by 100. Because principal is here. You know the principal, this bracket is shifted to left hand side or right hand side, whatever it is. P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of, like, same LHS equal to RHS.
Sir, P no.
To know the P,
Yeah,
it's not required. Sorry, it's my error. So that will shift it. That's all. Only thing is what you need to know. This one, 1 plus R by 100. Okay. Yes. Now we can say, compound interest calculation. How do you calculate? Like 10% compound interest calculation. Problems is okay, but we need to know the basic logic system. That one what we need actually for CSAT. Like what we can do. So compound amount is not. Let us say amount principal. You can say assume principal can be 100 rupees. How do we see that is? Like P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N. And what is P? 100 into 1 plus rate of interest is what? 10% power. This is compounded annually. Compounded annually. Annual becomes what? Only 1 year you can take. Right. If it is 2 years, 100 into 1 plus R by 100. If N is 2, we can take 2 like that. Now, and again you can see if it is off yearly calculate, 10% interest calculating off yearly base. Off yearly base. Off yearly. It means rate by how many off years will happen in a 1 year? 2. So like that is a thing. Like P into 1 plus R by 2. R by 2. 100. Power is what? Then it becomes 2. Compounded annually, calculating off yearly. Compounded annually, but off yearly basis. There are 2 off years will happen, 2 terms will. N is what? 2 terms. Quarterly means divided by 4 terms. Okay, that is a thing. Then you can write is what formula. This is what is principal money? 100. 100 into yeah. Even if you take see that I'll tell you. Right. P into 1 plus rate of interest is what? 10. It means 10 by 2%. How many terms? 2 terms. Then will happen here what? 100 into 10 by 2 is to 5. And 5 means 105 by 100. 2 terms 105 by 100. Even we need not to write the formula also. We know percentage. Higher than this one, like that. Okay. So like that. If it is for 2 years, if the time is for 2 years, means 4 terms will happen. 4 terms will happen. If it is a quarterly based, what will happen? P into 1 plus R by 4. There are 4 quarters will happen in a year. By 100. N is what? 4 terms, like that. It means next to P into rate of interest is what? 1 plus 10 by 4, 100 to the power of n. It means the 4 terms. It means so 100 into 102.5. 100 4 terms. 102.4 by 100 into 102.5 by 100 into 102.5 by 100. You will get amount. Amount minus principal, the remaining is what? Compound interest. This is what. But so lengthy calculations will not appear in CSAT, but statistically,
For 3 by 4th year. 3/4 year.
3/4 year questions are not asked. It cannot be asked. You have to calculate for quarterly, then you have to say. But they write it calculating for half yearly for 3/4 year, but by 3. Rate of interest by 3. Because there are 3, even say the 3 quarters. 3 by 4th year means how many quarters will happen?
75%.
75%. Okay, that's right. But quarterly, 3 months. 3/4 year, no?
1 year only, half year ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
Half yearly means 2 terms in a year.
3 by 4th yearly ಅಂತ.
3 by 4th year means again how many quarters? 9 months, that is calculation. 9 months means you have to calculate quarterly, 3 terms. 3 times. That's the thing. Divided by 4, again quarterly, 3 quarters. 3/4 year is 3 quarters.
R by 4 n equals to 3, like that, sir.
R by 4 is you will get the quarterly.
Yes, sir.
R by 4, year divided by 4, year means 12 months, divided by 4 you will get for 3 months.
Into 3.
Into 3. 3 terms. 3 terms, that is. Okay, this is the structure.
The amount you will get here, no, sir. You answer ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, sir. Then for that you should multiply by 3.
Yes. You will calculate a rate of interest. But without writing formula also you can write like that. For example, there is a 20% compound interest. 20% compound interest per annum. But for 9 months. What is 9 months? 9 months means let's say a year. Then you have to calculate for quarterly. 3 quarters. 9 months is equal to 3 quarters. Quarter means 3 months. Then you can take straight away 20 by 4, 5%. So principal into 105 by 100, 1 quarter. Another quarter, this is. Another quarter, this is. You will get for 9 months, you will get the amount. P is also included, interest is also included. Then you get the amount. What is the simple interest? Amount minus principal.
If you do again 105 by 100, we will get for 1 year.
Definitely. But that is not the method. Directly 1 year means directly you have to put. Because this is costly.
We should do only once now, sir. For quarter, for 3 months ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 times ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
Quarterly for 1 year, half year. I am telling you.
Just for 3 months means one time you should.
Yes, like that. Only one time. If it is calculating per annum, for 1 quarter is how much?
Okay.
It's like that. So this is related with the n. This is related with the n. This is.
If they ask only for quarterly, then n equals to 1.
That's all, only that. N equals to only one term. That is only thing. If it is calculating yearly, for calculating quarterly for half year, then 2 times it will come. It's like that. That is a thing. But without formula also we can write also. But we should be knowing the formula also, because the statements, when it asks the statements, we need formula also. That is technically, logically they prepare the questions. They don't allow you to take more working space or more working time. Logically they do that. That's what we need to know. Anyway, now let us come back to the questions now. We shall start solving questions here. Find the compound interest on rupees. Find the compound interest. Find the compound interest on rupees 12,000. Okay, principal is equals to what? 12,000. 12,000 at 10% per annum. Rate of interest is what? 10% per annum. Right. For 3 years. Time is for 3 years. Compound interest annually. Compounded annually. Then only it is. Otherwise simple interest they write. Compounded annual compound interest. Okay, this is what. Now we what is the find the compound interest? But what's the formula for compound interest? Formula is P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Right. Now straight away, without writing this formula also we can write. What is the principle?
Minus 1.
Yeah.
P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus 1.
Minus 1, that is. Minus 1 or minus P we can take. Right. Straight away we will do that. 12,000 into, what is the rate of interest? 10% per annum. First year 110%. For how many years? 3 years. Second year, and this is the third year. You get amount. You get amount. Now we can see, let us come to the formula. Let us come to the formula. What is P into 1 plus rate of interest is what? 10 by 100 for 3 years. N is 3. Right. Next P, like what is the P is given? 12,000 into 1010 cancel. Yes. Aಗುತ್ತೆ. So 10 into 1 10, 10 plus 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10, you get the amount. See, even see 0 and 0 gets 11 by 10. So 0 and 0 gets cancelled, 11 by 10. 11 by 10. It is same. What we so far we have learnt in the previous class, like calculation of percentage, profit and loss, same. This formula, this is thing. We need both also. Okay, right. Now we can see straight what we can calculate here. How many zeros in the denominator? 3 zeros. All will be out. Now 11 cube. What is 11 cube? 1331 into 12. Right. Now it comes 12 once 12. 1 carry. 12 into 3 36, 37, 36, 39, 11, 14. Minus principal money. What is the principal money? 12,000. 12,000. So what is the thing? 2,972 is a compound interest money. 2,000, 3,972. Check that calculation is 1, 37, 3, 36, 39, 3, 12. This is the 15. Sorry. 15. Then it is 3,972. Option A. This is the what. With formula, same. Without formula also, same. But we must be knowing that also. So specifically we need to know that. Yes, next one. Find the compound interest on rupees 8,000. Find the compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 20% per annum for 9 months. Compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly. This is compounded quarterly. What is the rate of interest? 20%. So 20 by 4, 5% for 3 terms because of the 9 months. It means what? Now we can see 8,000 into 20 by 20 by, no, what is the rate of 20%? 20 by how many quarters in a year?
3
Quarters.
4
20 by 4, so 5%. 105 by 100. This is first quarter, and this is for second quarter. This is for third quarter. You will calculate. But if you apply the formula, what will happen? P into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power of n. Next step is you can take what is the principal money? 8,000 into rate by 4. It means 5. 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. You will get amount. See, 521s the 520s. 21 by 20. See, 21 by 20. 21 by 20, like 3 zeros gets cancelled here. Even 2's also, 8 cube gets out. 21 cube. I told you what is the 21 cube value. I told you to learn cubes up to 11 and 21 cube. 9,261. 9,260. That's why if you forget means this got 6. Specifically, I emphasized on this. 9,261 minus principal money. 1,261. 1,261. Option B. 21 if you forget, no, this will take more time, or we have to drop the question. That's only will happen. If we think that is easy, we are making the system more complicated, and we are bound to lose the marks. Where we are supposed to gain, we are bound to lose that. Yes, next. A certain sum will amount to rupees 12,100 in 2 years at 10% per annum of compound interest being compounded annually. The sum is, what is the sum? Here principal is being asked. Principal is what? What is to know the principal? What we can take? Normally what is the formula we apply? Like amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Now we wanted to know the principal. Amount by this can be shifted to this side, 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Then you get principal money. Then you get principal. What is the amount? Amount is given. Sum will amount to rupees 12,100. So 12,100 by now P plus 1 by P is we don't want, we need to know 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus, what is the rate of interest? 10%. 10%. Compounded being annually. Okay. For how many years? 2 years. So n is what? 2, like that. Then what is the next step we can take? 12,100 by 0, 0 you can get cancel also. 11 by 10 whole square. Okay. What is the next step we can take? 12,100 by 11 by 10 reverse you can take, no? 12,100 into 10 by 11 twice. Right. you get amount.
11, 11, 121 cancel.
So 11, 121, 2 zeros you can retain. 11 into 1, 11. How many zeros left? 4 zeros. 1, 2, that's all. No? 11 square 2. Yes. What is that?
Sir, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 100 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
No, see that is
ಅದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ 121
12,100 into 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. Yes sir.
11 anja. Next year 1,100.
11, only one time this is. Right. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros.
10,000.
This is the sum. This is the what is this is? Principal. This is straight away we got principal 10,100. P is equal to so much. This is P. Right. So like that. Or if the directly you can solve like means without writing formula, and how do you write?
Yes.
Yeah, we can say amount. We get only amount. Principal we don't know, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's say principal like is what? X into 110% for 2 years.
Into 110 equals to.
This is a short process you can take. Short process you can take like this. Like percentage we calculate, no? So the X we can keep like 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 for 2 years. This is equal to amount. What is amount? 12,100 like that. Now what is the next step we can take? 12,100 into cross multiply into 100 into 100 by 110 into 110. You will get the principal. And 2 zeros gets cancelled here. This is 11 square. 11 into 11. That is okay. And C is equal to 10,000. See which is easy. That's right. This is how it will happen. This is with formula, without formula. It's like that. Right. A person returns rupees 1,331 after 3 years. A person returns rupees 1,031 after 3 years from the date of the borrowing. It means what is included? 1,331 is equal to P plus interest, compound interest. Right. After the rate of interest is 10%. 10% compounded annually. Find the sum borrowed. What is the P? Right. What is P? With formula or without formula? Either way you can do. Without formula, what to P? P is equals to what is the rate of interest? 10% per annum. Returns after 3 years from the date of rate of interest is 10% per annum. Compounded annually. It means P into 110% for first year. This is for second year. This is for third year. You will get amount. Amount is given already. 1,331. Right. Now we can calculate for thing. LHS equal to RHS. Or you can reverse way you can take. 1,331 into 100 into 100 into 100 divided by 110 into 110 into 110. 3 zeros you can cancel. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 11 cube. 11 cube is completely out. Now 10 into 10 into 10. 1,000. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. This is the principal money. This is very simple, like how we solve for thing. Percentage wise we can do, but yes. Next one.
Yes.
In how many years In how many years? It means time is questioned here. In how many years will rupees 400 amount to 441? 400, that becomes 441. This is the P, this is the amount. At 5% rate of interest. 5%, at 5% compound interest, compound 5% compound interest, that's all. Okay, nothing else. Only time is being asked. So what is the formula of time and rate? Principal by amount, amount by principal. What is the amount? 441. What is a principal? 400. So that is the, it means 21 square by 20 square. Even you can take, say, 2 means 2 terms. Here 2 means what? 2 terms. That is 2 terms.
21 by
nothing is given, but you can take for 2 years time. 2 terms means 2 years you can take. Right. To know, verify much more thing, that is 21 by 20, you can strike it out. Rate of interest to know, you will also batch also. 20 is there. If you make 100, see, into 5. Again into 5 you have to do. So it means 105. And the rate of interest is what? 5%. It is there, tally, matched. Rate of interest is 5%. Okay. Yes, next. Now, a sum borrowed under compound interest. A sum borrowed under compound interest doubles itself in 10 years. When will it become fourfold itself at the same rate of interest?
4 times.
4 times. Fourfold means 4 times. Twofold, threefold, fourfold, 4 times. A sum borrowed under compound interest. But here is calculating for compound interest base. Right. That sum doubles itself in 10 years. Doubles itself, P, that becomes 2P in 10 years. In 10 years time. But 4 folds, 4P because number of years. What is the? This is the equation. This question, how question can be downloaded from the question. Now, what is the rate of interest is not given. To know the rate of interest, we have to take this. Doubles itself in 10 years. Doubles itself in 10 years. It means if the sum, let sum be, let S be 100. That becomes double. It means 100 into 2. It becomes 200 in 10 years time. Like that. You will know the rate of interest. What is the rate of interest? To know the rate of interest, you can even calculate for simple interest also. What is the rate of interest will happen? What is the rate of interest will happen? Amount. What is the amount?
100.
200. Amount.
200 by 100.
By 100 equals what?
Time.
Now you will get the time and the rate of interest you will get. Okay. And 0, 0, that is. It means what? So you can say 2. You can also say amount by, that's all. No? We have taken 100 as a 200 twice in 10 years. Okay, 2%. Let us take 2%.
Time is 1 year.
Time? No, we have taken only for 10 years. Whatever it is given, we have taken like that. 1 into 100. Okay, you can take 200 by 100. That becomes 2 by 1. 2 by 1 into 100 also you can take 100%. Slightly wait, we are missing some information here. Under compound interest doubles itself in 10 years. When will it become fourfold itself at the same rate of interest? What is the rate of interest you can take?
2%.
Only you can say, okay, if you keep 2% also, so what will happen here? That's 100 into 4 times, it becomes 400. And 400 by 100,
4.
then no. What we need to know, that is 400 by 100, it means 4. Okay, that is no, something, what is missing here? I think some information is missing. It's not happening. Okay, this is the information which has been provided in the question. Compound interest doubles itself in 10 years. Doubles itself in 10 years means we keep let P be 100. So amount becomes 200.
Sir, normal formula.
Madi, do it then.
But output has to be anywhere.
No, do it, that is. Like what we know in 10 years, you will know the rate of interest here. Rate of interest, rate percent of interest is equals to amount by principal. Amount by principal, very simple one. Amount is what? 200 by principal money is 100. This means 2 by 1. This 2 by 1, this is okay. Like 100 become 200 by, okay. Right. You can say 2% you can keep, okay. For 4 years, how much you can keep? Like P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. What is the next step we can take? Like how much P we have taken? 100. Into rate of interest can be 2. It means 102. 102 by 1. 102 by, no, even this is, I think. N you have to take 4, no?
4.
Because 4 folds it says that, no?
4.
No, 4 folds is okay. Yeah, that is correct. 4 folds is there. 4 folds you can take. Time rate can be is what? What is the principal money that becomes 4 folds means what? 400. We take 400, no? Divided by divided by principal, and 400 by 100, like 4 by 1. Okay, this is 4 by 1. How will it take? We have to take 40 years only.
40?
40 years? Yes. Because doubles itself in 10 years, 4 by 1 we can take, that is the thing. By the 4 years you can take. How many times we write in this? 2 times 4 folds. Okay, that's okay. This by amount 4 by 10, 100. 4. No, that is somewhere some information is being missed out here. I should arrive to directly, that is okay. Even if you say like short process, that what 100 becomes 200 in 10 years, right? 200, 4 from 400, again 200 have to increase. You have to put 200 and 200 straight away. It's just 20 years is the correct time, that is. 20 years is the right answer. But here somewhere one step is being missed out. Because for doubles itself 10 years, that 200 should become 400. Another 10 years is required. By seeing that straight away, you can calculate that 20 years time. But 20 we should happen here. Some step is missed out here. You can see, just take it out. Equation wise, let's see later on. Because doubles itself in 10 years straight away. Again, your 200 will be invested another some time, that is. 200 becomes 400. Another 10, first 10, 20 years time is the one. Therefore, you can say answer is what? 20 years. Right. Next, you can see question number 7. A sum of money doubles itself in 4 years. A sum of money doubles itself in 4 years at compound interest. It will amount to 8 times itself at the same rate of interest in them. So, sum of money, let sum be 100, that becomes what? Doubles. That doubles in 4 years time. In 4 years. That will amount to 8 times. 8 times means what? 100 should become 8 times, means that should happen 8 times. In how many years is a question. Now for 200, for 100 to becomes 200 in 4 years. Again this becomes 400 double in another, it becomes what? 8 years. Again this will become 800 in another 4 years. This means 12 years. 12 years. Option B. Okay. The simple way you can do like that. This is okay. Next. Find compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 3 years at the rate of 5%, 10%, 20%. Right. There are three rates of interest are there. But P into 1 plus R by 100 cannot be applied. Separately you have to take this is. It means three formulas in it, because rate of interest are 5%, 10%, 20%. Three like this. So instead of then what is that? Find compound interest on rupees 10,000. 10,000 into first interest is what? 105 by 100. Another thing is 110 by 100 into 120 by 100. This is not. How will you get the amount? Find compound interest. So compound interest is what? Amount minus principal. Right. So that is what. Now we can see there are okay. Here 4 zeros. We'll take it out. And here also one where all zeros are gets cancelled here. And 105 into 11. 1 is out. Then 105 into 11 into 12 is how much? 105. Right. So now we can say 105 into 11. 55, 11 into 11 into 12. 12 5s are 60, 66, 18, 13,860. Right, here 13,860 minus 10,000.
3,008.
Yes, therefore 3,860. 3,008. Option C. Right, this is the thing. Because we need to write this 3 times formula, that is P into 1 plus R by 100, P into like that. Actually, if we look at this statement, what we write the statement for our say concern, amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 for the 5% N1 into 1 plus R by 100 for second rate into 1 plus R by 100 another N like that. like this one. If you write the formula, it will be like that only. Because same formula last year there was a question. Very funnily it is designed. So that's for logic we need to know that is. Right. Yes, next. A machine depreciates. See the depreciation related problem. Depreciation is what? Today we buy certain item. After 5 years, after 10 years, that value will go down. Because in income tax also, that construction will be given. If you buy any property or machine, say we buy one machine like LED board, this costs 4 lakhs this year. Because in the income tax department, income tax will allow the investor to reduce the income tax burden. Like first year they will give the 10% depreciation. Third year, second year 10%. Third year also 10% depreciation. The value you can save that income tax by paying. That's called depreciation. Sometimes they will be given like the population of the city is like the so much. 3 years back, what was the population? Population growth was 5% per annum. You have to do the reverse calculations. Then we can calculate 1 minus R by 100. But if you know the calculation percentage wise, straight away we can do it. 1 plus R by 100 more than 1. 1 minus R by 100 less than 1. It's like that. Now a machine depreciates at 25% per annum. The present value is 4,400. Find the value after 2 years. Find the value after 2 years. If you put the amount is equal to what? P into 1 plus P minus 1 by 1 minus R by 100. 1 minus R by 100. No, writing something wrong. P into 1 minus
1 plus.
Why I am writing today is like that. P into 1 minus R by 100 to the power of n. Then what is the next step here? So like P into 1 minus, what is the minus value? 25%.
For depreciation minus, sir?
Oh yes, yes. It keeps going down like that. Yes, next you can say appreciation plus we take. For how many years?
2 years.
2 years. It's like that. Now we can take P into 1 minus 25 by 100 means what? 1 by 4 to the power of 2, like that. It means P into 3 by 4. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. It like that we write. But straight away also we can write like that. Machine depreciates present value is what? 14,400 into what is the depreciation value? 25%. 100 minus 25%. 75%. Yes. First year this is. Another year this one. Even you get 3 by 4, 3 by 4. We are written 3 by 4.
X into applicable, sir. Present value is 14,400. It is
Yes. Aguro bharati, even you will also get that also. No problem. That is problem. We are going reverse way. If we do the straightforward, we put like this X. We need to know. Yes, you can know. 75 by 100.
Into 75 by
Yes. Into 75 by 100.
equals to.
What is the given is there? In one place, this should reflect that. Now we can also straight like that. Yes. And see. 75 3 by 4, this is also 3 by 4. Now 4 into 4, 16
Into 16
or this is divisible by 4 because last to 2 digits. 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are right. Yes, again divisible 4 9 0 0. 9 into 3 or 9 into 9 81. Number of zeros 8100. That is the value. Therefore, the value is what? 8,100. So, option A. Yes, that's right. Like percentage direct calculation. That's why percentage is the backbone for every topic. To say that. But we must be knowing the formula also because formula based also questions are being asked for the last 2, 2.5, 3 years like that. right.
Sir, 4 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆದಾಗ
Yes.
ಇಂಟು 14,400 ಇಂಟು 16/9 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Okay, write like this only. What we have written here, x into 3/4
into 3/4
into 3/4
equals to
14,400. Okay, what is the next step? 14,400 into 4 into 4
by 9.
3 into 3. So you get x value. Right. What can be done now? We can see that is
4, 8, 9 divisible by
4 into 4, 3 into 3.
14,400 divisible by 3.
4, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Straight away you can do 9. 9 was a 9. Remainder is what? 5, 54, 6, 0, 0.
1600 into 16 into 16.
16 into 16. 256. 256, 0, 0. 25,600. Option D. No? Then where we went wrong there?
Sir, there
Where we
4, you divided by 4, sir.
Okay, only 4 I have taken.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3/4 3/4 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Yes.
ಈ 4 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಸರ್.
Oh, cross cancellation I did that. That was wrong. Okay. Yeah, let us go to previous calculation where I just which one? This only, no? This one. 4 into 4 into this. Now I have done.
Now you correct, sir. First divided one. 25,000.
This was the right one. Okay. Yes. Into 4 into 4. Right. Yes. Find compound interest on rupees 8,000 at 15% per annum for 2 years for 4 months. Annual compounding. Compounded annually per annum. That's all. Find compound interest. Now what is this is 8,000 into for the how many years this is? 2 years 4 months. But 2 years 4 months, how do you do? First you have to calculate 2 years separately, then 4 months separately you have to do. 2 formulas we need to apply. I'll write the formula also. And compound interest is equals to what is the formula? Amount
minus principal.
Amount minus principal. It like that. Can say like P into 1 plus R by 100 for N, again into 1 plus R by, for 4 months is taken, 3 1 plus R by 3 you get for N. 4 months. How many 4 months will happen in 1 year? Quarter means 3 months. 4 months means how many 4 months will happen? There is a 12 months a year. 4 months, 4 months, 4 months. To know the 4 months, what we need to know? Divisible by 3. Like for example, 12 months in a year. If it is for 3 means you will get into 4 or 4 into 3. So that is. Yes.
N will be 1.
This one, this is 2.
For that one.
This is only one, that's all you can take. One time you can take. This is one you can take. What is the amount is given? 8,000 into, but why I am writing formula also, you should be knowing for exam point of view this is. Because these type questions are being asked these days. Right. Now we can see this is for 2 years, this is for 4 months. Half year means straight away you can do it. Is one time because separately 100 1 and this R can be is what?
15.
2. R can be 2 years.
15, sir.
Rate of interest is what?
15.
Okay, 15%. This is the rate. It's not required. 15%. Okay, 100 into 1, 100.
115.
115 by 100 for 2 years.
Into 115 by 100.
Yes.
Into
And next, this one let us take.
R by
15 by
105
This is,
by
rate is what? 15.
5.
15 by 3, 5. It means 1 by 5,
105 by 100.
100. 105 by 100. Now you get thing.
0 0 cancel.
So 3 zeros. Here 1 0 you keep, 1 you keep. Why I am telling you, because simplification gets much easier. 523 is 52. Same calculation you will get. 2.
23 cube.
This is 521, 52. No, this is not 23, no?
Yes, sir. 23 square.
Yes, again 2 cube out. This is only numerator should be calculated. 23 square is how much? 529 into 21. 21 into 9, 180, 189. 189. 21 into 2, 42, 50, 60. 21 into 5, 105, 111. Like, find the compound interest. Therefore, compound interest is equals to 11,109 minus 8,000. What is this? Is 3,109. Do you see the option? I think options are not typed. Leave it. Anyway, next one. Find compound interest on rupees 10,000 2 years at 4% per annum. The interest being off yearly. Find compound interest on rupees 10,000 into 2 years 4% per annum compounded off yearly. 4% means what? 2% you can take. 102 by 100. 102 by 100 for 2 years. 4 terms is required.
102 by 100.
Yes, yes. You will get amount. Right. So now there are 4 zeros. There are totally 8 zeros are here, but 4 zeros you can. Yes, that is always easy for us. This is 51 2s. 51 by 2. 51 by 2. 51 by 2. Right.
Sir. 2 5. 51 by 5.
But 2 51s are
2 5s are 2 1s are
2 5s are. This is what 100 we have taken.
1 0 cancel.
Yes. Right, that is correct. This is the 5. This is the 5.
5.
Yeah. 2 51s are 2 5s. Now see, 51 into 51. 51 square is how much? 52,500, 2,601 into 2,601 divided by 25 into 25. Right. How much it will happen? You have to see that. This becomes what? 625. 2,601 into 2,601. How much? 2,601 into 2,601. How do you calculate? Calculate and tell me now. 2,601 into 2,000 plus 600 plus 1 we can take like this. 2,000, 2 ones are 2, 0, 2,012, 5, right? Again you can take 600, zeros, okay? 6 ones are 6, 0, 6 twos are 12, 2,601.
6764 201.
67
64
201.
201.
67
67
64
201.
201. Okay, this is the amount, isn't it? 6765, right? 201. It's a very big calculation. 65, very big calculation. Now we have to calculate for this one. Even you can make it 0 also, this is okay, we will see that. 625 ones are 625, 25 ones you can take, 25 twos are 25 fives are. Straight away you can do 25 twos are, you can see the option there, options are not given, no? There, problem. So 176, 7, 15, 152, 6, 200, you can take 8 approximately. Again you can take 2768 by 20. 21s are 20, 23s are 60, 28s are 160, 168 by 20, something it will come. 1003 something it will come. Okay, keep it like that is. Options are not given here. Right, that is the thing. Yes, next. But if you come to the CSAT, so lengthy questions will not be asked, but pattern will be asked. Pattern easy, that is. Right. Find compound interest on rupees 6,000 at 20% per annum for 9 months, compounded quarterly. Don't you see the options in the list?
Yes.
Okay. Find compound interest on rupees 16,000 at 20% annum for 9 months, compounded quarterly. 9 months, 3 quarters. Compounded quarterly. 3 months. 3 terms will happen. 20 by 5. 5.
16,000.
Yeah, 16,000 into 105% into 105% into 105%.
3 zeros.
You get what you get? You get amount. Right. Right.
3 zeros.
3 zeros. Take out 1 from all uniformly. 521, 5 2s, 21 by 22. Sorry. 21 by 2. It means what? 21 cube. 16 into. Okay. Even then you can simplify also. No? 2 ones are 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8. Straight away you can take 2. Okay. Now what is the 21 cube? 2 into 21 cube is what? See that again.
9.
See, you do whatever you want, that is. 18,522. Therefore, compound interest is equals to amount minus principal. Amount is what? 18,522 minus 16,000. Therefore, 2,522. That is the answer. In how many years will rupees 100,000, it means 1 lakh, becomes 103,100 at 10% per annum? In how many years? Time is being asked. Time is what? Amount by principal. What is the amount? 133,100 by 100,000 or 1 lakh, you can say, whatever it is.
2 zeros.
And 2 zeros, 2 zeros gets cancelled, 1,331. This is 11 cube by 10 cube.
3 years.
When cube means 3, this is equals to 3 years. That's all. 3 years. Option, therefore, option 3 years time. 3 years time. It's like.
So if they ask rate means 1.1%.
rate 10 is there, no? 11 by 10.
1.
Rate means 100% this is 10 into 10. So here also 10 into 10, 110 by 100, so 10%. That's
10%.
110 by 100. 100 plus 10. 110 means how do you write 100 plus 10? This 100 means percentage. 110% this is. Like, 100% is a sum or principal, 110 amount. That is 10% rate is included. Both.
Into 10
Because denominator to get 100 means for us is easy to know immediately. Otherwise you have to take very big calculation. It goes on. If the denominator is 100, it's easy for us. It's like eating sweet. If you do like that means it takes a hell a lot of thing that. That's why I told you the x percent, x by 100, 100, 100, 100, how many times I told you? More than 100 times I will say that is. Why? Because this for all these issues. Like a certain sum is not known. To 7,350 in 2 years and 8,575 in 3 years. Find the sum and rate of percent. Right. A certain sum is not known. Sum is not known. That amount is 7,350 in 2 years and 8,575 in 3 years. 3 years. Find the sum and rate percent. What is the rate of interest? And sum is also what? Like that. So nothing, only amounts are given. But this is in 2 years, this is in 3 years. The difference between 2 and 3, we can straight away calculate the rate of interest. But compound interest, what happens now? This is for 3rd year beginning, this is the principal, and at the end of the year, this becomes the amount. The difference is the interest for 1 year. What is interest for 1 year? 8,575 minus 7,350 is what? Like 25 to 1. This is the amount. 75, 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 1, 8, 1,002. Rate of interest. How do you calculate rate of interest? 1,225 by what is this? Is 7,350. For simple calculations, no?
Sir, to calculate the principal, 7,350 minus 1,225 minus 1,225.
That sum, the principal will become 7,350 in 2 years.
Which means 1,225 is added every year to base amount, or it will change, sir?
No, it's not. But you have to read the question. That's all. Nothing. No information is provided in the question.
Alla sir, basic
Basic, you have to take this as the basic principle.
Alla sir, general this 1,225 is added.
Generally means for simple interest he would take this money. For simple interest he will take this is not the simple actual principle.
Okay, now for compound interest, simple interest.
Yes. Compound interest we will not come to know what is the principal money.
Which means rate of interest will change.
For 3rd year this becomes, after 2 years of compound interest this will become so much of money. Here this is included. Principal and compound interest is included here.
Okay, sir. So I am asking, I borrowed 100 rupees, sir. After 1 year, it became 150. They assume 10% rate of interest.
Yes.
110 For 3 years, I borrowed 100 rupees, sir. For 2nd year, the base will be, the rate of interest will be for 100 or 110.
See, this is for 100.
Yes, sir. For 3 years, I borrowed.
For 1st year interest is 10%.
110 it will become.
10% interest. At the end of the 1st year, that becomes 110.
Yes, sir.
For 2nd year, P becomes 110.
Okay, sir.
Simple interest that will not change. 100 only will take. Thus compound means what? Calculating on revised money. That's so that is the thing. That's why after 2 years, 3rd year, this is the principal money. That's right. Then difference between 1 year is what? So much money. You can calculate the simple, again it's like the simple interest only. This is for this 2 years if you take. What is the rate of interest? 100 into simple interest by like one time we can take. What is the principal money we take? 7,350. Then you will get the rate percent. Right, you can take 1 0 gets cancelled here. You can take 5 was a 5, like 23, 5 4s are 20, 5 7, 147. Here you can take 5 2s are 10, 5 4s are 5 5s. 140, somewhere it is a numbers or it's not, otherwise it will not get so complicated. Check the subtraction. 7,350 in 2 years, 8,575 in 3 years. Okay, what is the difference between these two? 8,575 minus 7,350.
5,
2
3,
25 2. This is okay, na? 1,225 okay. Then how do we calculate 1,225 per 100 into 1,225 by 1 into what's the principal? 7,350. Right. You take it out. 5 2s are okay, and you can take 5 1s are 5, 23, 5 4s are 20, 5 7, 147. Okay. Then why it is like this? 2450 by 147 per let's see, or 611. No, it's not matching. Numbers are vary. I don't know where to check that thing. Very simple one. The numbers have not come properly. We find difficult. My calculation is correct. We have to check the only numbers. Find the sum and rate of interest. For 2 years rate of interest cannot be known, but here only we should come to know this is 5 plus 7 is 12. We are unable to find any clue from the given information in the question. But question is very simple. A certain amount will lead to 7,350 and at the end of the 2 years you will get 7,350. That is included principal plus compound. Yes.
Amount CL equals to amount minus principal, sir.
Correct.
So,
same only. That's right.
1,225 equals to.
This is in 3 years. What is the difference between the 2 years is what? The numbers vary, we cannot arrive because decimals should not happen. Okay, anyway, we'll check the question. Let's see what is the question number. This is question number 14. Question number 14, we'll check the numbers. We'll check the numbers. Otherwise, simple one. But whatever to know the interest between the 2 years only should come. That's all. Yes, we'll check the numbers later. Right. Now we can see the question. Question number 14. Let us check that. Suppose Ram and Shyam have rupees 1,000 each. Suppose Ram and Shyam have rupees 1,000 each. Ram deposits his money in a bank with a simple interest of 10%, while Shyam does the same with a compound interest of 10%. If the interests are compounded annually, the difference between their withdrawal amounts after 4 years, the difference between the withdrawal after 4 years, rounded off, to the next integer, nearest integer would be it like that. There are two people, Ram have 1,000 rupees each. So 1,000 rupees each deposits money in a bank with a simple interest of 10% per annum for 4 years. For 4 years. But Sham 1,000 rupees compound interest 10% per annum for 4 years. This is the information. Ram will deposit with based on simple interest and Sham deposits on compound interest. What is the difference? Two calculations you need to do. First, Ram is what? PTR by 100. This is the Ram. Ram's earning is what? PTR by 100. P means what? 1,000. Time for 4. Rate of interest is 10%. Right. Now, what is a simple interest becomes what? 2 zeros gets cancelled. That is 4. How many zeros are left? 4 into 1, 4. 1 and 2. 2 zeros. He earns 400 rupees. But Sham compound interest, rate of interest is what? 10% per annum. Amount is what? 1,000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. This is for third year and fourth year. This is. You will get amount. You will get amount. Right. How many zeros are there? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. You can take 2, 4, 6, 7 zeros you can take out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out. Only 1 zero is left in the denominator. 11 square into 11 square, 11 cube. 1,331 into 11. 11 was 11, 33, 34, 33, 33, 36, 11, 14. 33 on 34, 33, 30, 11, 33, 34, 33, 36, 4. Then you can take 146, 41 by 10. Therefore, 1,464.1. Difference. Here is a next integer you can say. The difference between this is what? 14, but 1,000 rupees. No? This is minus 1,464. Right. 464 minus what is this money? 400 is 64. Right. 64. Option B. Right. Option B. Right. A certain principal amount is charged at rate of 10% compound interest for 2 years and the amount becomes 605. What is the principal money? Okay, principal is being asked. Let the principal be X. A certain principal amount is charged at rate of 10% compound interest for 2 years. 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. That becomes 605. Amount becomes 605. The principal amount. Even you can also do that. See that. You calculate and tell me now. 0, this 0 gets cancelled. This 0 gets cancelled. 605 into 10 into 10 by 11 into 11. You will get x equals might be like that. 5 plus 6, 11. Okay. 11 5s are 55, 11 5s are 55. Again this 5, 5. 5 into 1, 5, 5. How much number of zeros? Like rupees 500. Option B. Option B, this is. Yeah, next one. 25,000 is borrowed at compound interest at the rate of 3% for first year, 4% for second year and 5% for third year. Find amount to be paid after 3 years. Compound interest. Right. Now we can see what is the money is there. 25,000 into what is the first rate? 3%. 103 by 100. For second year it is 4%. 104 by 100 into for third year is what? 5% for third year. 105 by 100. You get what? Amount. So this is what? Principal money. Right. Now we can see number of zeros. You can see 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. There you can see 521 and 52s. Okay. This you can keep later only. Even you can reduce this number 52. Only 100 left out. 25 into very big calculation will happen. 25 into 103 into 52 into 21 by 100. Now we have to see. And 25 ones are 25 fours are this one. Again you can reduce this is 4 13s. The denominator is completely out. 103 into 13 into 21. So how much it will happen now? So 103 into 13. 13 was a 13. Again into 21. 189. 63 71 81. 63 71 21. 28,099. This is the amount. Therefore, compound interest is equals to 28,119 minus how much we have taken? Principal 25,000. Therefore, what is this is 3,119. Compound interest is 3,119. Okay. But by amount, find to be amount is asking straight away amount, not component. Amount is what? This is the amount. Yeah, this is the answer can be taken. 28,119. Option D. Right. Option D. Right. Now we can see. If sum of money lent at compound interest, if sum of money lent and compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum would fetch rupees 482 more if the interest was payable half yearly than if it was payable annually. The sum is, what is the sum? So what is the sum? It means principal is being asked. Right. A sum of money lent at compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum. It means first equation is what? A sum of money lent and compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum would fetch rupees 482 more the interest was payable half yearly than it was payable annually. What is the sum? It means you have to do 2 calculations. One yearly calculation, one half yearly calculation. That becomes what? 482. How do you take that is? Yes, do you try to solve how it is that is? Try and solve, let us see that is. A sum of money lent and compound interest for 2 years at 20% per annum would fetch rupees 482 more interest was payable half yearly than it was payable annually. What is the sum? how do you take the information? This is, I think, we have to do the two calculations. Definitely we have to do the two calculations. How do you take first calculation? First class calculation is what?
What is this?
Yearly calculation. Second one is what? Half yearly calculations. Okay. First let us take that equation 1, like take. Sum of money is a question now, isn't it? Let us take this is x we can take into what is the rate of interest? 20% per annum, 120% for 2 years into 120. You get amount, isn't it? Right, one equation. Another equation is what? Another equation, this is x we can keep. Paying half yearly, 20% per annum. Number of years are same. The 4 calculations will, 4 half yearly is possible.
20 by 4.
20 by 2, half yearly, no? Half yearly, 20% 10, 110 by 100. Like 4 half years, 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. You will get amount. The difference in interest is 482. After that we can see that is. Now you can see, no, one more I have to write, no? 110 by 4 half years, no? You get amount, right? One 10 by 100. Right. 11 cube is what? 1331. Yes.
The question is, if ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಅವರು ಫಾರ್ ಇಯರ್ಲಿ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹಾಫ್ ಇಯರ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 482 rupees ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ.
There are two things. One is invested at yearly component.
Equation 2 minus equation 1 equals to 482.
This is half year based.
Yes sir.
This is yearly based. The difference, if they invested money like this, they would have got 482 rupees more. Calculating with the half yearly basis.
Here the one
comparatively this money.
The one who lent the money is profitable by 482 rupees.
Yes, yes. 482 you have to calculate. That is the difference between the two interest rates amount. Fetching amount is 482 difference. What is the sum? How do you do then? That is, first I am doing it for 2 years base. This is half yearly base. This is also 2 years. This is also 2 years. This is a component annually. This is component half yearly.
Yes sir. That is equation 2 minus equation 1 will be 482.
Difference between these two equations is 482. Like now we can take what happens now. So this is 0 and this 0 you can take. 12 square is what? 144 by 100.
12 square.
This 12 square by 10 square. Okay. 12 square by 10 square. It means this is rate of interest is 10%. Okay, we already got it. 1200. This is by 100. Okay. No, what is this? What I did right here? Into 10, 100. This is into 10, 120. So 120%. Whatever. Okay.
20% is there.
This is the same. That's okay. But 2 is the amount is that is known. Now we have to see for this one. 11 cube. That is I have to write it. That is
11 to the power 4.
3031 into 11. Like 1331 into.
Sir, 100 ಅಂತ ಕೌಂಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ x ನ. ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಲೆಂಡೆಡ್ is 100 ಅಂತ.
ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ, you can do it. But you have to convert for ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ we don't know. That is we have to keep. You can take even 100 also. But number of times we have to check it out. 37, 36, 39, 14,971. 14,971 by 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 100. You can take 100. 100 means 149.70. 50. Like a difference is what? 29.71. That is 482. It means 482, 2 zeros by 2971. How many times you have to see that? 8,200 to 2971. 2971. 3,000. 2971. See, so calculation is we are unable to 2971.
Sir, बताइए sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, this credit card on
Yes, yes. Wait, I will just take out this one. Now you do it here. Yes, I will give you some space to write here. I just now you can write here. You write from here, so even
Sir, I assume
we must will come to
x is equals to 100.
and x is equal to 100. Yes.
So 100 into 120 by 100.
Yes.
120 by 100. Which will be equals to 144 rupees. Which is equals to amount, sir.
144.
Sir. 0, 0, 0, 0,
120%, 120%. What is the amount you will get to? 144. Okay, all right.
So same idea.
If you take 100 rupees base, that becomes 44.
110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100 into
4 times you have right.
100.
Yes.
So
Carefully you have to do that. 4040 gets cancelled. Right, that's right.
It is equals to 11 to the power 4 divided by 10 to the power square.
4. Okay, 4 you get cancelled, leave it.
Yes, sir.
10 into 10, 100.
1464 11 to the power 4
44.
divided by 10 100. So 146.4. So the difference is 2.4
Okay.
rupees.
For 100 rupees.
Sir. So
100, you have taken 100 rupees as a base. Right.
So now the difference is
482. 482 divided by.
For 100 which is 2.4 rupees.
Yes, 482 divided by 2.4.
482.
482 divided by 2.4.
482 to 100 by 2.4. So which is 20,000.
You do that calculation also.
482 into
100
divided by
2.4.
2.4. So it will come 20,000.
One decimal you can adjust 10 also.
Almost nearly 20,000.
You do it fully. That at least viewers also will. Okay.
20,083 it will come.
24 2s of 40.
So 20,000
Some point.
will come.
So 20,000 you can
Yes,
say that.
20,000.
Yes, that's right. you put option B. Option B is the right one. Yes.
Sir, for this one also.
Yes.
And this, sir.
Hmm.
The 1 to 2 5 6 sir.
Yes, it's already there.
So, as we were doing principal into interest equals to amount and the percentage there.
That is, you can calculate as even simple interest rate also.
Now,
It's like
the
simple
principal
interest.
is this one.
7,350. 100 into interest we put for simple interest calculation. That is good as simple interest only.
Sir.
100 into simple interest.
Rate of interest, sir, 1 to 2 5 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬಹುದು.
Yes.
We are not knowing about this, sir. So 7350 is the principal.
Yeah, correct. Write numbers properly. So viewers also can see that. Right, erase right properly. 7,350
is the principal. We don't know rate of interest.
Yes.
Which will be equals to 87. So 8575. So now when we do this, we will get x equals to
multiply. Put another equation. That will be easy.
Okay,
8575 into 100 whole divided by 7,350. Now simplify it.
Now x is equals to 16.6%, sir. The rate of interest.
If we calculate that,
Yes,
is
sir.
rate
Now,
of
if we calculate the rate of interest for this one, like amount is equals to principal into 1 plus r by 100 to the power t. So we know the amount 7350 equals to principal we need to calculate 1 plus rate of interest is 16.6%. Sir, if we sir, ಇದು mixed fractional ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ something how it will be, sir? 16.6.
we can not required, but 16.6 means
into time is 2 years.
Yes.
So then we will get.
Again, you end up in the same position only. Yes.
Is this correct, sir?
That actually the process is correct, but still yellow somewhere we are missing out that because numbers are not matching. Your method is correct.
Yes, sir.
I agree with your method, but numbers are not matching. Yellow in typing some errors are there, numbers. I only typed all these things. There is error in my typing.
But without knowing this also we can do something like this.
That actually this is the only correct. This is the correct one. This is even what you done for that for taking 100 as an
Here
example.
it will come like 166 point. Something 116.
It will come because that again decimal.
6666 ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Yes.
So as you said 100 plus 16.6.
Yes.
So 16.6 is the rate of interest.
Yes. Normally decimals will not happen here. Those questions will not be designed. Actually, see, question is correct. There is an error in my typing because I did this work under insufficient light.
Yes,
That may be some. If the numbers we don't read properly because small font and everything. Okay, that methodology is this. Maintain that. That's okay.
Almost the answer also came right. So almost it will also come 5.
It will come. Yes.
So as I checked the key answer, it was almost same, sir.
Yes. Fine. Otherwise correct because there is an error in my typing. Let it be like that. It happens also. That's why I always say that one. Because that is my error actually. Okay. How many questions are left out? I can take. Last one. Another 2 questions are this. Okay, the least number of years in which a sum of money, even this question can be expected in CSAT also. That's why I put like this. The least number of years. This least number of years in which a sum of money or 19% per annum compound interest will be more than double is least number of years in which a sum of money at 19% per annum compound interest will be more than double is more than double, but no information is provided. Let the sum be, let P be, let P is equals to 100 but that should become double. It means that should become 2p. It means what? 200 should come. What is the time? How many years? Least number of years. Least number of years he says. Least number
interest is 90.
No, you just check that least number of years is what? First option 2. If you take calculation for 2 years, 2 years means what happened? What is a 100 rupees should become, what is the rate of interest? 19%. Even 19% means for 2 years what happens? No, 38 rupees will happen. Double will not happen. This option is ruled out by cross checking. This is. You can take next is what? 3 years. Least years is that. 2 years is not possible. 3 years. Even if you take 19% per annum, 19 plus 19 plus 19, for 3 years how much it will come? 57. Compound interest you can put another 3, 60. 3 years also is not possible. But 4 years you can check. 19 means 19 into 4. 19 into 4 how much? 76. It's a compound interest. You can check that. That's the thing. If means first year is what? Compound. You can keep first. Let us say amount is 100 rupees. What is the first year money? 19 rupees. For second year it becomes the first year that becomes 119. Correct? For second year, this is the first year. This is second year. 119 into 19%. So 19 rupees also you are calculating interest. For 19% also you are calculating. What is how much it will come?
119 into 119 by 100.
So even you don't put money also, I'll tell you one thing. That 100 rupees should pick up. What is the rate of interest here? First year you will get how much? 19 rupees. For second year, because we don't want to check the amount also. First year you will get 19 for 100 rupees only. You can take any amount also. 19. For second year, 19% or 19 rupees all. That's compound interest. It means 19 square. 361. It means what? 19
plus 3.6.
Exactly. Plus 3.61. That becomes how much? 22.61. Okay. Third year.
20.
Third year. Like 19% of this money. Even you can take 19 means 19 into 1, 19. Decimal you can don't calculate. You can just simply 19 into 1, 19. 1 carry. 19 into 6. 104, 104, 105, 105, 10 you can. 19 into 2, 38. So take 48. 48 you can, 4. 90, 38, 42. 42 rupees, 4 paisa. It means what will happen here third year? Like 22 plus 42. 64. 64.65.4 you can take. And fourth year you can take this one. 19 into 0, 0, 19 4 is 76, 7, 19 5 is 95, 102, 102 you take 10, 19 into 6, how much that is? 114, 19 5 is 9, sorry, leave it 95, what is this? 19 4 is 77, 19 5 is how much? 19 5 is 95, so 102, 19 6 is how much? 114, I missed the calculation, 90, see, 75, 7, 96, 114, 121, 121, so 65 into 19%, 123. So you take check.
Sir, the formula is
formula you can very lengthy formula.
Amount equals to P after.
You can put 100 rupees.
Yes,
You can put like 100 rupees into like 1 plus R by 100 means what will happen? 119%. Correct? This is for first year. This is for first year. But actually 3 years is not possible. If you even look at 20% also, that amount should become double.
Angala sir, if amount is 200,
Yes.
P is 100, 1 plus R percent to the power T.
Yes.
No.
Okay, if it put like
that formula can
he can okay, all right. Now we have taken P is 100.
Yes sir. A
We taken P is 100. Amount.
200.
Amount is 200. All right. Now we wanted to know the number of years. It means time.
200.
Time or rate. Formula is what? Amount by principal. Amount is what? 200. By principal is what? 100. It means 20 gets cancelled. Then where you take 2 by 1 you can take. You want percentage, if you take 100, again 200 only. What is the percentage you take there?
100%.
100%, okay. That's 100. How many years? How many years in that?
1 year. 2 to the power 1, 1 to the power 1.
But 1 year is not possible, no? Double amount. That's right.
ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 200 equals to amount equals to principal into 1 plus R by 100
Yes.
to the power T formula.
Yes.
Amount 200 equals to 100.
Otherwise, straight away you can do.
200.
So this is 100. Okay. What is the money? 119 by 100. Definitely 3 years also is not possible. You can take
But according to this 3 year
like Barbego. That's also should happen there. Yes, you can cancel. Too much of calculation will happen. That's why I tried. I avoided that method. Even that's also should happen. Do 200 by 100. You got to time equals to rate. It means what? 2 by 1 it will happen. 2 by 1. So we should happen, that is. This is 100 and rate of percentage 100 you can take. 100 means how many years only? The 4 years should happen there correctly. That's why it takes some are like this.
Sir,
I do not know that.
Sir, this one 200 equals to sir this form you write sir.
You tell me, that's why I write here. That is okay. 200. I'm writing here. No, 200 by.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಬೈ ಬೇಡ 200 equals to
Yes, 200 is equals to
100 into 1 plus
1 plus
19%.
19%. Right.
To the power T.
Okay.
Now we should
Number of
calculate
terms.
T.
100 into 119. Right? Correct? How many terms? How many terms ಉಂಟು?
ಅದು 200 by 100 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 equals to 119 by 100 to the power T. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು.
That's why I did that.
ಪವರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಜನರಲಿ?
You have to put options. It is not known. That's why.
ಓಕೆ ಹಂಗೂ ಮಾಡೋದು.
That is not known here. That is not known here. But actual formula is what? Number to know the number of years time is what? Amount by principal. This is very clear about. This is like amount by principal. To know the time or rate, both will happen here. Yes, this is the both will happen. Amount that should become double. That should become double. It means what? Amount is 200, principal is 100 we have taken. But the 2 zeros gets cancelled. But after this, we are finding difficult here. That's all. We have to make it simple form. That's why. If you take 100, that becomes 100%. This is into 100, 200. Say like 200%. Amount has become double. It means 20%. What is the time? We can say that is. That's why. So this is the sum doesn't suit. That is why we tell it. Component is that's a speciality. That is. So what you can do is a 9.
4 is the answer.
4 is the answer, correct answer. But only how we are arriving to the 4 is the correct one. That is. Why I am telling the 4? Because First option 2 years is there. 38 rupees. That is not the double.
Here 1 plus 19% ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. By option I will write 3. We can't write 20% sir directly. 119 by 100.
That may go where you can write.
Then 20 by 100.
Even if it's at 20%, even if you keep 20%, how many years it required?
4 years.
4 years. So 5-1 will not happen there. 4 only you have to take. But only thing is, I am asking that is how we arrive to that one.
Also, if we
by mentally you can finish it up.
sir.
4 is the correct answer. Why I say that is options are first option least number of years he says. First let us take the 2 years. 2 years is not possible.
Yes, sir.
Rate of 19%. 19% first year, second person 38%. No, it will not happen. So even for 3 years also, 19 into 3, 57%. Very long. Again, if you take the next 4 years option was 19 into 4. 19 into 4. How much it will happen? 76 rupees will happen. But compound interest you can take. 19 what in first year it is same. Second year it becomes 361, 3.6 like, and third year it becomes what 22.6, 19%, 92, 38 to 41, 4 rupees 1 sum, 26 rupees 60 paisa. Fourth year is what 96, 104, 111, 39, approximately some 5 rupees it will come, 31 rupees it will come. It means 19 plus 22 plus 26 plus 31. 12, 18, 4, 8, 9, 98 rupees it will come. It means 4 years exactly. Close to 4 years, that's it. Yeah. Approximate, no. But option 5 is also there. If you calculate 19 into 5 means 95 will come. People will go mayor. That is simple interest. If it is simple interest, option 5 is correct. Option C is the correct one. Yes, next you can take, okay. Yes, I think the last question. Right. What is the rate of interest? In simple interest earned at certain sum for 3 years is so much. Compound interest earned for 2 years is 4,160. What is the difference? Into the last question this is. What is the rate of interest? If simple interest earned on a certain sum for the 3 years is rupees 6,000. Okay. Compound interest earned for 2. This is how many years? What is the rate of interest earned on a certain sum for the 3 years? This is for 3 years. Is rupees so much, 6,000. And compound interest earned and for 2 years for 4,160. This is a given. Next is what? Is 4,160. What is the rate of interest? Simple interest, what is the rate of interest is asking. Rate of interest, simple interest is what? This is, let us say, how you can take for 3 years. For 1 year, 1 year amount is 2,000. It's like that. 2,000. That's very clear. Question is still not clear. No? What is the rate of interest in percentage? If simple interest earned on a certain sum for the 3 years is rupees so much.
Completed.
Question
is complete.
Completed. No? See, that is the. And now you can see 100 into what is the simple interest earned is what? 6,000 for 3 years. P is not known here. That is the thing. $6,000 you can take. But P is not known, no?
Simple interest.
Simple interest total for 3 years earned is 6,000. Per annum is 2,000. 2000, 2000, 2000. Rate of interest we need to know, but what is the sum? Interest on a certain sum for the 3 years is rupees 6000, and compound interest earned for 2 years is rupees 4160. Principal is not given. To know the principal, what happens now? In the simple interest, total simple interest is there, time is there. What is required? Rate of interest is not known. To know the rate of interest, what is the problem? 100 into simple interest, P into time, P is not known. And compound interest earned for 2 years is so much, for 4160. Yes. How do you do that? Interest earned for 2 years is rupees 4160.
6,000 is amount, sir.
No, that's not amount. See, that's why simple interest earned on a certain sum for the 3 years is rupees. Certain interest earned is 6000.
SI is 6,000.
SI is 6000. Simple interest earned on a certain money, certain sum, that is not known, is a question mark. For 3 years is 6000. Same compound under for 2 years is rupees 4160. Yes. Then how do you solve this thing? Yeah, thank you. Somebody is telling thank you. Fine. What is what is the technique you can apply here? Principal amount is not known, right? And rate of interest is also not known. Even if you put like this, nothing is not given here. Even sometimes I will feel some confusion in the question also. $4,000. This is given for 3 years, this is given for 2 years. How that is possible? Okay, even if you take like that, mentally you can do. What is the simple interest for the first year? First year is what? 2000, right? Right. For second year, this becomes 4000, right? For the compound interest 2 years is given.
160.
Compound interest for 2 years is given 4160. Difference is what? 160. You can take. Difference is 160. You can take, this is the principal money. It means 4000 into no, you want to know the rate of interest, no? Like 4160 by 4000 you can take. 0 and 0 gets cancelled, and 416 by 400, it means 4104. Rate of interest is 4%. 4% option is not there. 4% option is not there. %4 option is not available here. What can be done? This method is not possible. But actually the cracking method is fine. First year simple interest is 2000, for second year it is 4000. If it is a compound interest for 4160, difference in amount is what? 160. Difference in amount is rupees 160, that is right? 4160, that's okay. 160. Even if you take simple interest like 100 into, what is the simple interest? You can take 160 by what is the principal? You can take 4000. Time you can take 2 years. Right, you can say 3 zeros gets cancelled here. 2 means 8% you can take simple interest. Fine. 8% you can take. That's we can take. How you know this is? Okay. You got simple interest rate. Rate formula is what? 100 into simple interest by P into time. Isn't it? What is the next step you can do? 100 into what is the simple interest earned is what? Difference you can take. 160. 160. What is the principal money we have taken? On this we have taken 4,000. Time 2 years. Because we are comparing with this. No? We are comparing with this. No, 2 years, 2 years. 2 years. Simple interest. 3 years simple interest is 2,000 rupees per annum. 2 years. Simple interest for 2 years 4,000. Compound interest already given 4,160. Difference in amount is how much? 160. Yes. Now 2 zeros, so there 1 0. 3 zeros gets cancelled. 4 ones are 4 fours are. And you can take year 1 is there, na? 2%. Even that is also not possible. That's also not possible. And what should have been done there? See that. If you take convert into simple interest, like you can take straight away, what is the other part you can finish this work? Like sum for 3 years is so much. What is the rate of interest in percent? If simple interest earned on a certain sum for the 3 years is 6,000 and compound earned for 2 years is 4,160. I think we need some more information. What is it that is, if a question bank that is that question right?
Correct.
Correct.
8% answer.
8% answer. 8% I will come, that is how it is possible, that is see that how trouble question is, how troubling us. First year is equal to first year, right? That's right. Somebody done the calculation is, they said the answer is 8, but weavers are better than us. Okay, that is right. Yes, yes. Where we went wrong in calculation, that is. Yeah, your viewers, because your answer is correct, 8, but yes, ma'am class will start after few minutes. I'll take another 2-3 minutes, I'll close it. So they are asking ma'am class, that is. We'll waiting. Very good one. Okay, we'll do this one in the next class, something. Last 2 questions, one more question is there.
Last, that's it.
That's the last. It's over. This is the last question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, that last question we'll do in the next session or something like that. All right, anyway, it's over now.